So friends, Samsung is rolling out a new software update for the Galaxy A56 that enables Google Gemini access via the side or power button. The Galaxy S25 lineup launched earlier this year with One UI 7 Android 15 on board and the option to open Gemini or other digital assistants by long pressing the side button. And the same is now available on Samsung's latest premium mid-range phone. While the Galaxy A56 also launched running One UI 7 out of the box, it did not have this feature at launch, but that changes with the latest software update. Once this update spotting a build number A56PXXU3AYDK is installed, the power button on your phone will be set to open Gemini by default with a long press, and you will be able to switch to another assistant app including Samsung Bixby from the settings, advanced features and side button menu. And you will be able to ask Gemini questions about virtually everything and use the assistants to find dinner spots on Google Maps, check and share schedules with their contacts and more. Gemini is also integrated into Samsung apps like Calendar, Notes, Reminder and Clock, so you can ask it to set alarms, save notes and add events to your calendar and more. To download the new update, which also includes the May 2025 security patch on your Galaxy A56, head into Settings, Software Update menu and tap Download and Install. It could take some time for the upgrade to go live globally, and we will let you know as soon as it starts rolling out widely. And Gemini integration and the option to launch different virtual assistants by long pressing the side key is also coming to the other Galaxy A phones with the One UI 7 update later this year. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.